Welcome to my channel, Air Fry Recipes 101. I want to thank you all for stopping by. If you're here and you came over from my other channel, the Baking Diva, I really appreciate your support. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you'll come back. Well, today I'm not doing a recipe. I'm just doing a great big thank you. See this apron I have on? Isn't it beautiful? It says on it, Air Fryer Recipes 101, and that's my new channel, my second channel. This was a gift to me. I am so honored. This came from my good friend, Chef John, and his wife, Rebecca. Their channel is Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen, and I'm going to put the link to their channel down below in my description box. This is a beautiful apron. When they found out I was going to make a second channel, they jumped on board, and right away they wanted to support me, and I appreciate them so much. They wanted to make me an apron in honor of my new channel, and this came in the mail the other day. They have my logo on it, Air Fryer Recipes 101. It's black, it has the gold and red, it's got pockets on it, and I just love it. We followed each other's channels for a few years now, and I just love these two. Rebecca, she's a professional at this, and she made the apron. And, oh, I don't have it with me, I left it upstairs, but the apron came in a little bag that had my name on it, and in the corner, it had little crowns. So nice. So I can't really thank them enough. I mean, I really appreciate their thoughtfulness in sending me this gift. And I will be wearing this when I do my videos. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my Air Fryer Recipes 101, and the 101 means I'm going to be teaching you all easy air frying recipes for those that are new to air frying, maybe those that are thinking of buying an air fryer. And we're starting off very simple. So I was going to wait and wear this apron when I did my next recipe, but I just couldn't wait long enough to thank them. So this weekend, I'll be doing a new air fryer recipe. And so make sure if you haven't already subscribed to go down below and hit the red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get a notification. You won't miss it. So once again, Rebecca, you are a sweetheart. I want to thank you so much. This meant so much to me that you sent me this apron. I absolutely love it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And for all of you out there, I hope you come back and learn more about air frying. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all very soon.